If your actions inspires others to think more, to dream more, to become more, you are the leader. Namaskar, this is Archana Bhatt presenting my views on the role of youth in making India self-reliant post-COVID-19. COVID-19 has turned the technology upside down. It has come at the feet of Mother Nature. Mother Nature has suffered a lot and we made her to suffer. Now it's her time to revitalize and revive herself. It was a time when we tortured Mother Nature, and the consequence of it is the diseases like coronavirus. This is what is called karma. What goes round comes round. Today, world countries and superpowers are working together to invent the medicine to eradicate the disease from the world. India too is aligning herself with this cause. India's initiative to send the medicine to the different countries is a great example of friendship, which will in turn build our bonds with the world. This is a pure example of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. We Indians, right from the birth, are taught that the world is one, the nation is one, the world and nation are one country. This results in the progress of society, development of a community, and building of nation. We youth in this COVID-19 situation have to make the nation to believe in Make in India concept and make people aware about this theory. We can socially, economically, culturally, politically promote the country among the countrymen. We have to take the nation forward and make the people be aware to use the products made in India. This will boost the economy of our countrymen. Culturally, we can promote the heritage of the states of the India. This will make the India at the cultural point of view to grow at national level as well as international level. Come on youth, India is Bharatvarsh, the great subcontinent with Himalaya standing at the top with high head as a crown and 3 seas surrounding it. It's vast, so its youth, the great vast subcontinent. Let us bring boil in our blood. Let us make efforts and do to make our country progress in every field. Let us bring the awareness among the people. Let us take our flag high in every field and every sector. Let the state of Jammu and Kashmir be promoted by the state of Tamil Nadu. Let Gujarat be promoted by the state of Assam. Let us unite into the thread of being self-made and self-reliant. Let our agriculture and industrial sector be self-made. I know changes don't happen in one day. It's a collective efforts and measures. We have to walk a long journey, but let's start. Together it is possible. We youth can do it. Let us make India self-reliant post-COVID-19. It reminds me of a saying, hold fast your dreams, for if dreams die, life becomes a big bird that can't fly. Ladies and gentlemen, let us hold our dreams to make our nation better and so that it will be the best. Let us be the best country among the countries of the world in making India self-reliant. Let us make use of the funds given by the government in agriculture sector, industrial sector. Let us suggest the government as to how to combat this situation and send the suggestions to the government and promote the awareness among the countrymen. Prime Minister Modi makes his statement in Man Ki Baat. Let us take this as Desh Ki Baat, Young India Ki Baat. Just we have to wake up and see the morning with bright sun in the sky. Because as it is said, ye dil mange more. So yes, We will work together to make India self-reliant. Jai Hind. धन्यवाद.